Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video, which is about describing an experience you had with the type of foreign food. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak in this video, and if you're new here, so you can basically watch this video till the end. You can understand like how I do practice for speaking in English language. So without wasting our time, let's jump into this video, because today I'm going to share about one insightful tips which you can use in your goal in your life, so it will help you as well. So let's get started. So in my life basically I never had a chance to basically eat foreign food, but and I never went to foreign as well. So for that particular point, I was working in one MNC, and over there's lot of overseas food as well. Like there is a lot of countries food available, non-vegetarian and vegetarian as well. So from one of my friend I got suggestion, there is tacos, that is Mexican food, and we should need to try that. So one day basically we were went to Taco Bell, which is very famous in Mexico, and like most of the peoples eat this kind of food in Mexico, and I just try that, and it is like comparison to Indian food, it is costlier, and on top of that there is GST as well. So like from one taco we probably get it around 150 rupees, and that is huge for us, and on top of that there is GST as well. So yeah, we after the eating the tacos, basically it feel like some sort of things are raw, basically they're like cabbage, that is totally a natural thing over there, and there is one smashed potato, or you can say baked potato inside there, and there's lot of basically sauces are available, and yeah, and along with that they have also given us like Coca-Cola or something, and from like eating that is basically very easy, and yeah, it is also basically they are prepared like within 3 to 4 minutes. I think they just uh, arrange all the things in a manner and just give it to us. There is nothing which they have just cook, right? There is nothing like that, everything is already pre-planned, cooked, and so after we have ordered, they just start preparing and just given to us. Like in if we went to like Domino's or some other restaurant, so we need to wait at least like 10 to 15 minutes, you can say, or 5 to 10 minutes around that, but in there basically it will take around us like 4 to 5 minutes, and we basically got the tacos, and it was feeling very good, and I just ate it in the first time, and there is a lot of food I have ate, but this was a good, and it feels like it it's feel like eating burger, and yeah, but there is not less like much calories such as burger, they like how their preparation would be, but yeah, it was a good, and the foreign food that eat in my life, it was like tacos only. So yeah, on this video that is it. I hope you find this video helpful, and so it was basically my motto of like agenda of videos, or just doing the practice, because that is what most important for everyone if he want to basically starting if he wants to basically start English in fluency. So yeah, that is what most important, and the one thing which I want to talk to you about, like I've just got a watched one video where I got to know like how much time we have spent in ourselves, and we need to basically find out and then start taking out notes, that if we start we have basically spent that much of time in improving ourselves, so how much we have improved in a day, basically at least we know, as far I know, I'm working basically, and along with that I'm using cell phone at least 4 hour a day. So if I calculate my 1 hours, if I spend 500 rupees, so like probably you can say like if I spend in some another places where I can earn that money by spending that much of time, so in the 4 hours I can basically earn basically 2000 rupees. So this is how the things works. And if my 1 hours earning would be around 5000, so you can calculate like how much time I spent on basically cell phone, which is not giving me such some sort of reward return. So this is a huge eye opening for me. So if you understand that, you can also basically start ditch your phone from today onwards, so it will very beneficial for you, for you and me as well. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.